You're not going to want to see that scene anyway. Well, it is Monday, Monday, of course. And today we're talking about summer camp. It's that time. In fact, summer solstice is today. Many of you sending your kids off for a week or so. We know it can be pricey, but some of those camps actually are tax deductible. We've got certified financial planner Gary Abely here to join us this morning. Gary, good to see you. I hope it was a good weekend.
Right.
So let's start with the number one question. Which ones are tax deductible and which ones are not?
Well, pretty much any sports camp that you are not spending the night is taxable, any daycare. And in fact, we oftentimes think of our children under 13 qualify, but also if you have adults who need special assistance, they would qualify as well. So the key is it can't be an overnight, and it's up to $3,000 per child or $6,000 maximum. And even better, a lot of people think it's a deduction, but it's actually a tax credit, and that tax credit will save you dollar for dollar on your taxes. Now, you don't get to write it all off.
Right.
The credit varies. It can go all the way up to 35% for lower income families and all the way down to 20% for higher income families.
So what form would that put you into, and what's the best thing when tax season rolls around next year to tell your CPA or whoever's doing your taxes? Well,
make sure you have records. So, for example, I've received records before, and someone will want to deduct it as a charitable contribution, for example, if the camp is a church. And you can only deduct the amount as a charitable contribution above the value of the particular camp. So you have to be careful of that. But you want to provide your CPA or tax preparer the form provided to you, the federal ID number of the institution that provided the care, their name and address, and that's really all you need.
So spending the night, is that really where the difference is in a lot of these camps?
It is. Yeah, just you can't spend the night, might be a welcome welcome break for the parents,
right.
But not
you
a
get
tax
that benefit,
break.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
So there's your benefit, not your tax deductible benefit. Exactly. What's the best way if you don't know to find out about this?
Well, the best way, you can look at Form 2441, which a lot of, that would be online. You can just Google it or go to irs.gov. They have 10 most frequently asked questions on the dependent care credit.
Okay. Gary, is there a website you want to put out there?
Financialgroup.com.
Okay. Gary, good to see you as always. We know a lot of people are busy doing this time of the year as well. So take a second to make sure you know whether it is tax deductible or not. All right, it is 7:28 on